This is what was underneath the quarter panel that was supposed to have been replaced. I don't know. Pretty rotten under that quarter. There's been pieces cut and never welded back in from the last time it was restored. So we got the whole back end off the car right now. So somebody put a partial quarter on and left part of the old quarter on it and never welded the ends. You can see here nothing's been welded. The inner outer wheel well. Frame rail is pretty rotten. It's a good thing we're replacing them. Go to the other side. There's a frame rail here that's been plated. The original is not there no more. And this side, same thing. Nothing was attached to the inner outer wheel well. Not at all. We never did anything here. It was just sitting under. And the same thing, they put it right over the old one. So all of this will be replaced with new. And the other side, inner structure, rotten. Nothing was cleaned up from before. Sorry, trying to get around the equipment. And then down to the rocker panel, same thing. All rotten. Been pieces welded onto it. Nothing attached. Anyway, stay tuned for more stuff.